Penguins are amazing birds. They are seabirds in the family Spheniscidae. They use their wings to travel underwater, but they cannot travel in the air. Most penguins live in Southern Hemisphere. Penguins eat krill, fish, squid, and other small animals from the ocean which they catch. They can drink seawater. Penguins live up to 80% of their lives in the ocean. They come up on land or ice to lay their eggs and raise the chicks. Most penguins lay 2 eggs per year, but emperor penguins lay only 1. They don't eat there because they live in places where the land has no food for them. In most species, the birds all nest together in a huge group called rookery. They usually make nests on ground with rocks or mud. There are 15 to 20 species of penguins. The emperor penguin is the tallest of all penguin species, reaching as tall as 120 cm in height. Little blue penguins are the smallest type of penguins, averaging around 33 cm in height. Penguins live only in the southern hemisphere of the world: Antarctica, New Zealand, Australia, South Africa, and South America. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel Mega Kids to view my further videos every week.